Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into the fascinating story of how a Canadian startup and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln came together to create a groundbreaking tech facility in Seward, Nebraska. It's a tale of innovation, collaboration, and the power of education. So, let's get started. What began as a simple connection between a Canadian startup, PTx Trimble, and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, has blossomed into a major player in the world of autonomous farming technology. This partnership, which started nearly a decade ago, has resulted in the establishment of a state-of-the-art engineering facility in Seward, marking a significant milestone in the industry. The story begins with PTx Trimble, a company that was once known as JCA Technologies, based in Winnipeg. When they were on the hunt for a university partner in the Midwest, they had several options, but they chose Nebraska for a very specific reason. Darcy Cook, PTx's Senior Director of Autonomous Solutions, explains it best. The reason we're in Nebraska is the development of talent and expertise that occurs at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. The university's strong engineering presence and its focus on agricultural engineering, robotics, and autonomous systems made it the perfect fit. The Lincoln Partnership for Economic Development played a crucial role in bringing PTx Trimble and the university together. They connected company leaders with the university, where they found a wealth of expertise in agricultural engineering, robotics, and autonomous systems. This led to a collaboration with Santosh Pitla, a professor of biological systems engineering, whose research aligned closely with PTx Trimble's autonomous farming technologies. The university's Nebraska Innovation Campus and industry relations staff were instrumental in connecting PTx Trimble with career services, research facilities, and startup space. This support system allowed the company to establish its presence in Seward, where it is now developing cutting-edge autonomous technologies for tractors, tillage equipment, and other agricultural machinery. The heart of PTx Trimble's technology is its OutRun system, a self-contained, retrofit autonomy kit that turns existing tractors into driverless machines. Originally launched as an autonomous grain cart solution, the platform is now expanding to include autonomous tillage. Combine operators or farm managers can plan and control the tractor's paths, staging, and unloading zones using an iPad interface via Starlink technology, ensuring reliable connectivity even in rural, low-coverage farming zones. One of the most fascinating aspects of this partnership is the focus on talent development. PTx Trimble's new Seward Engineering Center is staffed largely by Husker alumni and researchers, who are at the forefront of developing autonomous technologies. This not only strengthens Nebraska's reputation as a national hub for agricultural technology but also reinforces the importance of applied research and industry education partnerships. Josh Murman, a Husker alumnus and autonomous systems engineer with PTx Trimble, highlights the human element of this technology. He believes that autonomy is not about replacing labor but about giving producers the freedom to decide where their time is most valuable. This technology helps make that possible by allowing farm managers to focus on other tasks while the autonomous systems handle the farming operations. The OutRun system is still in the early adopter phase, with over 30 systems installed, most of them in North America. PTx Trimble has been laying the groundwork for adoption, training dealers, and attending trade shows. Murman, who grew up on a farm in the Hastings area, is testing the technology himself, bridging the gap between software developers and farmers. His first-hand experience is invaluable, as it helps define new product features, validate field performance, and ensure the autonomous systems operate as expected. The impact of this partnership extends beyond the technology itself. Murman's work on the family farm during harvest, while simultaneously testing and refining the autonomous grain cart, showcases the real-world benefits of this innovation. It's a testament to how technology can enhance farming practices and provide new opportunities for farmers. In conclusion, the collaboration between PTx Trimble and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln is a powerful example of how education and industry can come together to drive innovation. It's a story of talent development, technological advancement, and the potential to revolutionize farming practices. So, what do you think? Is this the future of agriculture? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.